Okay, here we have 6.1, 62001, and 63001. These are solving equations using multiplication or division. Remember, we did the ones with addition as well. So the steps are the same. We drop the t, we do the inverse operation, and we isolate the variable. We sort of want to have an understanding of how our answer fits in as well. The key here is if it's being multiplied, then we divide to answer it. If the variable is being divided, then we multiply both sides. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Here I have 17 times z is equal to 289. That means some number that I can substitute in for z multiplied by 17 is going to answer 289. So the way to undo that is to divide both sides by 17. Okay, and you can take your calculator, 289 divided by 17, and my answer is 17. What that means is if I just substitute that back in for z, and multiply 17 times my answer, I would get that 289. Okay, and we do the same thing throughout. Look for the variable, divided by 10, divide both sides by 10, 60 divided by 10. 60 divided by 10, v equals 10. Here I'm dividing by 3, 36 divided by 3 is 12. Here I'm dividing by 5 because 5 is being multiplied, and then I find that j is equal to 9. Here, x is equal to 7. Okay, so all of those I'm being multiplied by the variable, so I divide to solve it. Notice here, c is being divided by the variable. So I'm going to multiply by 11. And I take my calculator, 11 times 19, and my solution is 209. What that means is if I come here and I look at this and I take 209 and divide it by 11, I'm going to get 19. That's what that solution means. 209 could go there and I would get that solution. All right, you might see it like this also. Some people will go like this, times 11 over 1, because they cancel, times 11 over 1, which would be the same. C equals 19 times 11, or 209. I don't care which way you do it. Later, we're going to have to remember to watch signs. Right now, these are all positive. Okay, so let me just run through the answers for number 8 through 12. Drop the t, multiply by 18. V is 234. Drop the t, multiply by 2. K is 16. Notice the variables on this side, that's okay. Divided by 13 here, so I multiply by 13. R is 104. If I put 104 in there and divided by 13, I would get 8. Times 5, j is equal to 20. Times 17 times 17, R is equal to 306. So that's 62001, solving equations using multiplication and division. Drop the t, inverse on both sides, isolate the variable. Later, as we do these that have a variety of signs, we'll have to watch for signs.